Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be going over how to do this clone kind of motion blur effect here in Final Cut Pro. Here on the screen is our website, www.b3-studios.com, where we have plenty of Final Cut Pro plugins to help you out in your everyday workflow. Please go check that out. If you are a beginner in Final Cut Pro or if you are experienced in Final Cut Pro, it will help you out either way. Now, let's get on into the video for today. All right, so we have our clip here, and what you want to keep in mind is you want to shoot this on a tripod with your subject, kind of moving. They can stand still for a little bit, but try to get them to move places the more the scene goes on, just to make this effect look visually appealing. So what we're going to do here is we are going to just make a copy of this clip. So we're going to hold Option and drag up to make a copy of this clip. And we're going to speed the top clip up. So we're going to hit Command R to bring up the time. And we're going to go let's go ×4. All right. So we can see right here, the clip is a little short. So let's have these aligned. So we can do Command B to break this clip so they're aligned. When we play it back, you're just gonna have a sped up kind of version. But what we want to do here is we want to bring down the opacity on the top clip. So we're gonna bring down the opacity on the top clip. And now when we play this, we'll see that there's a kind of a clone effect going on. But this is not exactly what we want. We want this to be a more blurred, a more exaggerated kind of clone effect. So what we're gonna do here is, which the link will be in the description. Make sure you go check it out. We're gonna use the B3 altered time effect. This is gonna give this effect the slow shutter feel, and with more motion blur. So as we play this back now, you can see the difference. So yeah, that is our quick tutorial for today. If you all have any questions, comment below. We will be coming out with new content soon. Be sure to check out our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you can find plenty of plugins to help your workflow in Final Cut Pro. I appreciate you guys tuning in today, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you again. Bye.